Hello viewers, this video is regarding unboxing a computer glass. I have purchased this from coolwinks.com, and the reason why I have purchased this computer glass is that I'm sitting in front of the computer for more than 6 hours per day. So I'm straining my eyes, and I want something to filter the blue rays from the display. So that's why I have gone for this. And the main advantage of Coolwinks is that you don't really want to go to a shop to check which kind of glasses suits for your face. What you want to do is you just want to go to coolwinks.com and open the camera of your laptop or your mobile, and your face will get automatically recognized by the algorithm, and it will automatically recommend what kind of shapes you should prefer, either circle or rectangle, according to your face. So this is really a cool feature, and these are the features. Actually, it is UV protected and anti-scratch, anti-glare, blue light blocker. So this is why I purchased this. And robotic made lenses. All right, okay, that's it. Let's unbox this. um Gonna cut this with the knife, and let's open this. Let's see. Okay, and oh wow, there is a box, and let's put this, and I'm gonna open this. With one hand it is pretty difficult. I'm holding my camera as well. All right, okay, so there is a cloth. They said that liquid will be there, but there is no liquid even in the box. Okay, so this is the glass. Let's open this. And all right, so you see this, the outside frame is black, and if you get inside you can see the red color. Yes, and the design is also looking good because this is a rectangular shape, and yeah, it is looking perfect. Hope I'll be using this forever, whenever I use computer. So if you are using laptop or PC or even mobile for more than 4 or 5 hours, you should prefer a glass like this. I would recommend you to prefer a glass like this.